let's tilt up.
Tilting. More like Tilda Swinton.
I love Tilda Swinton.
Me too.
I want to beat her.
I don't. She's not very pretty. This book taught us nothing. Hi, welcome to Drag Nipples, where we turn your idiot nipples into something sexy and special.
So behind this fan is a beautiful virgin.
My name's Bran Ramsey, and this is Ashley Bomberry.
Hi.
Well, Ashley's going to teach you on my nipples how to do the mermaid look. Guys, this is a great look for Ashley. Tell them, what is this a great look for? Bar mitzvahs, weddings,
Funerals.
funeral visitations, court hearings,
Bluegrass jams.
alimony. Absolutely. You need a mortgage? You go to the bank like this. What isn't this good for?
Well, this is not good for, you know.
Brunch. Have you ever done makeup on a nipple before?
Never. This is a first.
Would you be into dragged ass wall? You've named your nipples?
Not my nipples, but my tits.
Yeah, tell us. Look into that camera and tell us.
Okay. So, as asymmetry would have it, is that one is larger than the other. This one is Swayze, and this one is Baby. She's like the wind.
So the first step is to shave your nipples.
Please shave your nipples. We are matching the skin with a nice foundation to remove any redness. And I'm really only focusing on the pectorals right now.
My nipples are blotchy.
They're a little blotchy. So now that we've done your foundation, I'm just putting on like a matte powder. So just really go over it with a nice gentle brush.
That brush is rather gentle.
Okay. So we've added some contour in, some bronzer, give you some color. So now I'm going to find the natural curve.
Is that my nipplet?
This is your nipplet. And,
Oh, she looks so stern.
well,
I like her.
she's here to party.
Flirty. She's a little flirty.
She's very flirty.
And now we're going to do eyeshadow.
And we've chosen the colors Peace and Fishnet to go together. So what I'm going to do is create the crease. So it's all about, you know, the upper bone of your eye. I'm going to take this part here and just really define where your eyelid would be. I'm going to add a darker color just to accentuate the crease just along here. So this is going along the line of the eyeliner.
Guys, here's the thing about drag nipples, and I want this is real talk with Bran and Ashley. Guys, drag nipples is a lifestyle.
You gotta commit or get the fuck out.
It's not a choice. Like, you were born this way. Your nipples have something to say. And
Say it loud and be a goddamn rainbow about it. Or shut up.
Or shut up.
Do you know who my muse is for this? Elizabeth Hurley.
Really?
Yeah, right now I'm doing a little like Elizabeth Hurley cat eye into your armpit.
I always thought she looked like an armpit.
Your armpits are an extension of your nipples. I don't know if you knew that. See, drag nipples is all about the drama. Okay, I'm almost done the eyeliner, and then we can put in eyelashes. Okay, so blue eyelashes at the end and black at the front.
Okay.
For each?
Yeah.
We have 2 pair.
We do.
You're a boy with eyelashes on your nipple.
Can't even do this seriously anymore.
Stop moving.
This is like Spanish mermaid. Here's what she missed on drag nipples. We shaved the nipple, we did foundation, we did eyeliner to give the illusion of an eyelid, we did eyeshadow, we did blending, we did
glitter, but glitter didn't show up. So we did more eyeshadow with a little bit of glitter underneath.
This is it, guys. Drag nipples. How to have mermaid drag nipples.
This is the final product. Oh, you saucy minx.
Goodbye.